Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well. Today I have 25 plus GB photo stock. These photos are full high definition, and here is total files 2454 plus files. So you see here total size of this folder 6.53 GB and 49 folder and 629 photos files, and second folder is 4.94 GB 520 files, and here is third 4.66 GB 508 files. Wow. And here is last photo, fourth. Here is 8.95 GB and total file is here 800. So first I showed here extract folder. You see a beauty girls, and here is adult game, alarm clock, amazing woman, Arabic businessman. You see beautiful girls, beautiful couple, banner and people, bachelor party, autumn girls, and wow, beauty, bride, business girl, chief. I think this all folder for girls. Here is children birthday and Christmas happy. Okay, children with banner, so adjust your own banner here. So here is this, and next is second folder in 4.94 GB 520 files. Extract. You see here is classic and retro style. Wow, all file all full high definition. For example, I click here 1.9 MB and 7 point something and 2.0 MB. Cooking, here is cooking, 9.9 MB file, and here is 17.1 MB. That's mean all files are full high definition. Cracked skin. Oh, here is 13.0 MB file. Dream girl, dental and dancing girl. Here is for wow, all files are full of high definition. Fisherman, female beauty, and fashion woman. Okay, fashion woman, fashion girl, fashion and beauty, happy family, girl with shopping bags. We mostly use in shopping banners or shopping posters, shopping flyers, shopping ads. Girl with lollipop, girl with laptop, mostly used on online earning related or online job etc. Girl with gun. Oh, girl with cup of tea. And third folder is here is 508 files. Total storage is 4.66 GB. Okay, extract. Happy young people, housewife in kitchen. Wow, 4.7 MB file. Here is 5.4 MB file. Medical here, man with gift. Wow, a surprise. Hungry man. Wow. Okay, toilet, and here is a pain photo or a painkiller banner or medicine. Office girl. Oh, pretty girl, pretty little girl. Here is pretty little girl, cute. Oh, Here is nurse. Married. Oh, naked muscular true stroke. Okay, and the last folder is here, 8.95 MB, total file is 800. Extract sexy girl in swimming suit. Okay, shopping girls. Here is shopping girls. Next is shopping collection. Amazing. Smiling female doctor. Snow soldier with the arms. Oh, stylish girl. Trailer. Oh, someone message here. Okay, wow. Here is 5.9 MB file. Here is 26 MB file. Wow, that's mean full high definition file. Great. Young beautiful woman with gift. So subscribe my Telegram channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.